Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make Pikachu in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is to combine 2 earth to create a mountain, then combine it with water to create a lake, then combine 2 lake to create an ocean, then combine it with earth to create an island, then combine it with earth again to create continent, then combine it with lake to create America, then combine ocean and water to create the fish, then combine earth and water to create the plant, then combine earth and continent to create the land, then combine fish and plant to create seaweed, then combine it with mountain to create sushi, then combine it with land to create Japan, then combine America and Japan to create anime, then combine it with fish to create Pokemon, then finally combine it with anime to create Pikachu. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.